Strange RV tours will take you places with Greg and Janet's smiling faces. You might see a crazy flavored soda review or some tips to fit your RV too. So come along, won't you join us, friend, as we discover what's around the bend. Just sit right back in your easy chair. Strange RV Tours is on the air. Strange RV Tours is on the air.
All right, you ready to get extra hot here?
Yeah. Ooh, ooh, yeah, that's hot. Wow. Okay. Oh. Yeah. See. Ooh. Take my time. Take my time. Ah, it is hot. Wow. Wow. Whoa, it's fogging my glass. Wow. That's good. It's tingling. Yeah. Oh, that feels good. So good. Hey guys. We're out here near Dyer, Nevada. And this is Fish Lake Valley Hot Well. It's a hot spring. Oh my gosh. It feels so good. You guys, wow. Come and watch. I mean, oh wow, it's good.
What do you think of the water, baby?
Oh, it's wonderful.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Nice, huh?
Yeah. There's lots of algae though.
Yeah, there is. Surprisingly.
Yeah.
Let me show them around here.
Sick.
This is the inside of the hot pool here, I guess you'd call it. Hot tub, hot spring, hot tank. And there's where the water flows out. Water flows out right over here. And let me show you where it flows to. Flows out and right over to this large pond, which feeds into a second pond. There's ducks and there's goldfish or koi. Hot pond, I guess you'd call it. The pond's about 75, 76 degrees.
Nice.
A lot of wildlife out here. You see the beautiful mountains too. And I don't know if you can make this out or not, but there is snow on the peaks of those mountains. And I should turn over here and you can see the snow on these over here. These are covered.
Yeah. Yes,
And it's 42 degrees outside right now. It's about 9:45 in the morning. It got down into, I guess about 20 degrees last night.
And that's way out there is Boundary Peak, the highest part in Nevada.
Wow.
And that's
And even though it's only 42 degrees out here right now, the water is 98 degrees.
yeah.
So this water feels fantastic.
Great. See where it's coming out?
You know, this would be too hot during summertime.
Yeah. It is this. It's coming out from the bottom down here. Wow. It's pushing me. Yeah. Wow. The water's coming out way fast down here. Can you see my foot down there? Can you see it? It's clear water.
Yeah.
It's pushing my foot though.
You won't believe how white your leg looks under that water.
I know. You know, it's been warm enough. I've been running around in flip-flops and shorts occasionally.
Yeah, but you've got color. It's just the water making you look white.
Yeah. Oh well.
It's neat.
It's cool. Just relax. Here. That way I don't slip. Wonderful.
This is how we start off one of our filming days. We loosen up our muscles in the hot spring. We've got a bunch of filming to do today.
Yeah. Big plans today. This is our first stop. Yeah. A lot of stuff. Like, wow. It's good. Just sit here. Just sit here, relax. Float. Awesome. And there's bathrooms.
Yes, there is. Let's
There's
raise up and show you guys those bathrooms.
Bathrooms.
There's a pit restroom directly in front of us here.
And there's mountains.
And they've got some barbecues. They've got fire pits. They don't want anybody to camp within 100 feet of the hot spring itself. But right out behind the bathroom areas, there's plenty of places to park, boondock, camp.
Yeah. Wow. The views are wonderful.
And it's about a 7-mile dirt road, rock road coming in. We made it in our little Honda, so most cars will make it without a problem.
Right.
But be advised that it is slow going for those 7 miles.
Washboard.
Yep.
Washboard. Bounce, bounce. Cool.
All right, girl. Well, I'm ready to get going. You ready?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be cold. Oh, watch out. You step up here. Hold on. There it is. Oh, that is. That's cool. Really. Awesome. Awesome.
Sorry we couldn't spend more time in the actual hot spring. There's more people arriving and it was getting crowded in the hot tub and there was just no way of filming with any privacy, so rather than get other people in the video that don't want to be in the video, figure I'll show you this pond that the hot spring actually feeds into. You can see the large fish down in there too. Large goldfish. And we got a duck coming over here to us. And, wow, there's a bunch of them over here. You can see just how many fish there are in here. Somebody has to have stocked this pond with the fish because I don't think that these fish would be here naturally. But you see this duck over here. And then there's a second pond that the hot spring is over to our left of the screen. It feeds into this pond on the left, which then feeds into this second pond over here on the right. It feeds through this little canal that's been, I guess, probably cut to provide access. Just beautiful out here though. All right, folks, well, we hope you enjoyed this little visit that we made out here to Fish Lake Valley Hot Well, also known as a hot spring. Right. And Miss Jan, you have anything you want to add?
Oh, I feel so refreshed. I feel so much better.
You guys take it easy. Bye-bye.